Commissioner Slive, you are such a terrific leader and such a terrific person. Thank you so much for all that you have done for college athletics, for the Southeastern Conference, and for all of us at the University of Missouri. Thank you, Commissioner.
Commissioner Slive, Mike, my friend, congratulations on your extraordinary service to the SEC. Under your leadership, the SEC has become the premier athletic conference in the country. Your leadership, sir, has given us everything in terms of stability, financial support, and the integrity and the success academically we all are so proud of. My friend, you will never be forgotten. This has been a great experience for me to work with you from two different institutions in the SEC during my time as a leader. We'll be working with you for years to come, I'm sure, my friend. Never forget the love we have for you.
Commissioner Slive, I had the good fortune of the last couple of years being a part of the SEC, and little did I know, in being a part of that, I would see this infrastructure, this design, the leadership, management that whole SEC is a part of because of you. So remarkably impressed with you and all that you have done. So thank you for being a part of my life. Thank you for being a part of the SEC and all the things you've done to make it the greatest conference in college football. Thanks, Mike.